A clean, well-organized menu can make all the difference in helping customers navigate your store and discover products. Welcome to Hyper Theme Tutorials by FoxEcom. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to set up a powerful mega menu for your Shopify store using Hyper. It's easier than you think, and by the end, your store will look more professional and be easier to shop. So, what exactly is a mega menu? Unlike a regular drop-down, a mega menu lets you display multiple columns, add images, feature products, and organize links in a way that's super clear and user-friendly. It's perfect for stores with lots of collections or categories. Before we jump into the theme editor, let's set up the menu structure in your Shopify admin. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Content Menu section. Here, you can either edit your existing menu or create a new one. Add your main menu item. For example, Shop. Then nest other menu items underneath it. Now let's bring the menu to life inside. Head to the online store, then Themes. And choose Customize next to your active Hyper theme. In the left sidebar, click on Header. You'll see options for menu and mobile menu. The Hyper theme lets you manage each version separately. Then, you can decide how the menu opens, either on hover or on click. Choose what fits best with your store's browsing style. Time to build out your mega menu content. Click Add Block. From the block options, choose what you want to add to your main menu item. Take this product list block as an example. This lets you show hand-picked products right inside your menu, perfect for showcasing bestsellers, new arrivals, or items on sale. In the block settings, set the menu item field to match your menu label exactly. For example, tables and desks. Adjust the number of columns for menu items, depending on the menu scale. Under Products list, give it a title to stand out, like Trending Products. You can also adjust layout settings like product width and how many columns to display. Then, select specific products. This setup looks sleek and makes it super easy for shoppers to browse featured products directly from the menu. Want to draw attention to a key page like your sales section? Let's use a highlight link block. Set the menu item to match the label. For example, on sale. You can customize the color to match your brand or theme style, and even choose an animation like Star Twinkle to grab attention. As seen in the demo store, this creates a glowing effect on the on sale menu item, perfect for calling out limited time offers or promos. And that's a wrap on building your mega menu with the Hyper theme. You've now got a sleek, flexible menu that not only looks amazing, but helps your customers shop smarter and faster. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop a comment letting us know what you'd love to see next. Need extra help? Check out the full Hyper documentation linked in the description below or reach out to our support team anytime.